Hey guys, we started corn harvest already. We're just trying to open up this field, and he's over there, somewhere over there. Got the grain cart hooked up. After this, we get the grain cart full and then the combine full. We're gonna load into the. We're gonna work on the silo unloader. Put that up so that we can fill the silo, and we'll do that. So there it is. Using the combine over there, right there. Yeah, we're gonna have to open up the field a little bit. But this is our very first field we ever started, so it's only a test run on the combine, make sure everything works. No stuff falling apart, and I really hope nothing falls apart. I just saw him sliding a little bit there earlier. I suppose it's a little muddy. I think we should go check the trash there in a minute. We'll see how he's doing. So we're checking out the field. Make sure there's no. What happens when you open up the field? There's seed coming out of the back. Here, like right here. So looks kind of green. So this is high moisture, definitely high moisture. Looks a little green yet still. But I'm gonna say maybe, I don't know, 20. Splitting cobs too, so missing a bunch of corn. Eat that. Tractor. Yeah, he's spitting seed on the back. It's not good, but it's going to silo anyways, so. So let's see how it's doing for now. Yeah, I would say corn head.
Got the corn head low enough? What?
it's still spitting a bunch of seed out too.
What?
It's probably spitting a bunch of seed out too.
Not much.
Huh?
Not very much.
I don't want any seed come out. Turn off the razor. What's the moisture?
29.
Is that good?
No.
Too low?
Good for high moisture.
Oh. Is that what you want though?
Here you go out of here.
Oh yeah, right here. Yeah.
Drive out there. I'll put another dump in there.
Yeah, I'll probably just park up here and then wait for you. You should have Kyle get the silo unloader for him. You know? Hey guys, Carson Colbert here. We are getting ready for harvest this morning. Let's take the tractor grain car up to Heinz's, so we gotta go back home and get a guy a load of hay, and then we'll come back up here with the combine. Go back up there with the combine, and then we will keep going. And we'll keep going harvest until night. Today I was supposed to start my new job, but I haven't heard back from the company, and I guess we will see. Hopefully I don't have to go to work tomorrow, so I can help with corn harvest. So we will see. I'll see you guys in the field. Or now, shit, it's hot in here. Shoot. It's a little hot in here. Oh. There we go. Bob. Hey guys, we're in the combine now. Here's Doug Burkle, my uncle. He's running the combine. He got the steering wheel, we got their hydraulic trowel. This trowel's on the other end. There's a shifter down there, all kinds of buttons. Get a little bit of cobs in there, might have to adjust the sieves a little bit. Alright, that looks great. Yeah. These are little. There's grain curve. Yeah. time. You will suck. Piece of shit. They're supposed to start the blower. Huh.